Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Ecovacs Deebot or a eufy RoboVac robotic vacuum. I'll put all of the model numbers that this pertains to in the description so you can be sure. And you're having issues where maybe the battery is not charging or it's not holding a charge, it's just running out of battery really quickly, or the robot just doesn't seem to have power. Very likely what's going on is your battery just needs to be replaced, because these batteries do not last forever, but luckily they're very easy to replace and they're not all that expensive, especially if you get an aftermarket battery. I'll put a link. The hardest thing is just to get the battery. I'll put a link in the description to where you can get a replacement battery for these things for only 25 bucks, and shipping is free. Anyways, once you get your battery, all you need to do is just come in here, flip it upside down, and this is model dependent. There's some slight differences, but it's basically the same on all of them. You're going to flip it upside down, and you're going to find this compartment, and there are just two screws here. You're just going to remove the two screws on that battery compartment. Once you remove those two screws on the battery compartment will pop off, and you'll just see the battery sitting in there. And just using those two white tabs, you can then just pick it up and pull that battery right out of there, and it will reveal this little connector. And what we're going to do is we're just going to push down on this part of the connector right here as we pull this part apart, and that will make the whole thing come apart like that. And then we can just do everything in reverse, plug our new battery in, slide it back into that casing, and put the the lid back on, the top back on, cover back on, and then the screws back on that. So anyways, if this helped, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.